Lose weight in 3 days and stay fit forever. 2024. Have you ever wished you could drop the extra weight rapidly and maintain a healthy lifestyle for good? Okay, let's get started on our journey to lose weight in 3 days. It may sound too good to be true, but at the end of this video, you'll see that it is quite feasible to achieve your weight loss goals without resorting to extreme diet regimens in just 3 days and continue your fitness journey indefinitely. Before we go any further, I'd like to warn you about the one drink weight loss magic. Many people claim to have a one-time miracle drink that will cure your weight problems. However, this is not safe, true, or long-lasting. In most situations, it may lead to losses of muscle and bone mass, nutrient deficiencies, loss of shape, or even acute diarrhea. However, this 3-day plan is the healthiest and most secure of all. Aside from weight loss, it will also benefit your reproductive, kidney, liver, heart and digestive health, thus supplying the body with energy for daily activities. It is critical to understand what constitutes obesity or overweight. Overweight and obesity are described as abnormal or excessive fat accumulation that puts one's health at danger. Overweight is defined as a BMI greater than 25, and obesity as a BMI greater than 30. Body mass index, BMI, is a simple calculation that takes a person's height and weight. The formula is BMI equals kilograms per meter squared. BMI calculators are freely available online. Let's look at a specific example. An individual with a height of 155 centimeters and a weight of 85 kilograms has a BMI of 35.4 kilograms per meter squared. This qualifies as obese class 2. To obtain a BMI of 25, this individual needs lose 24.9 kilograms. According to the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, weight gain can be caused by the following variables. 1. Consuming more calories and sugar than engaging in exercise or physical activity. 2. Ads promoting high-fat snacks and sugary beverages. Most of these goods are inexpensive and taste so excellent that they are difficult to refuse. Thus the appetite is misled, resulting in overeating. In fact, these foods' addiction is frequently compared to commonly abused narcotics such as alcohol, cocaine, nicotine, and cannabis. 3. Genetics. Obesity can be caused by inherited disorders such as Prader-Willi syndrome. However, most of the time, genetics do not directly cause weight increase, but rather through the inheritance of habits that require determination, dedication, and patience to modify. For example, children of obese parents are far more likely to be obese than children of lean parents. 4. Medications and health conditions. Obesity can be caused by an underactive thyroid, Cushing's disease, polycystic ovarian syndrome, or corticosteroids, antidepressants, and epileptic medicines. 5. Stress, emotions, and sleeping problems. Some people binge eat when they're bored, upset, unhappy, or stressed. 6. Insulin. High insulin levels and insulin resistance have been linked to the development of obesity. Reduce your consumption of refined carbohydrates and increase your fiber intake to lower your insulin levels. 7. Leptin resistance. Leptin, an appetite-reducing hormone, is ineffective in many obese people. 8. Misinformation. Many people spread erroneous or false information about health and diet. Some people oversimplify or misinterpret scientific research findings, which are usually removed from context. Disclaimer: this content is designed for educational purposes. It is not a substitute for competent medical advice. If you require additional information, always contact a professional or your doctor, so that any underlying medical issue can be taken into consideration. Now comes the exciting part. A 3-day strategy that will jumpstart your weight reduction journey and set the road for a long-term healthy lifestyle. This plan is intended to increase your metabolism, detoxify your body, and lay the groundwork for ongoing success in keeping a fit and healthy physique. The plan consists of a drink-based weight loss regimen, with the option of adding some solid foods. If so, the meal should always come after the drink. Day 1, Breakfast. Ingredients for a 500 ml serving. 1 cup of raspberries/strawberries, about 140 grams. Half mango, about 160 grams, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Approximately 180 milliliters of water. Half teaspoon vanilla, 2 grams. 1 tablespoon of molasses or brown sugar, 20 grams. Preparation. Blend the berries and mango with the water and lemon until fully combined. Add the vanilla and molasses and whisk until they dissolve. Mid-morning. Ingredients for a 500 milliliters serving. 6 medium carrots. 1 medium cucumber. 3 medium celery stalks. 10 fresh sprigs of parsley. 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Preparation. Prepare the carrots, cucumbers, celery, and parsley, then extract the juice with a juice extractor. Add lemon juice. Lunch. Ingredients for a 750 milliliter serving. 4 huge plums. 2 dried prunes. 1 medium banana. 2 tablespoons flaxseed. 2 spoonful of wheat bran. 1 glass of orange juice. Preparation. Soak 1 cup of flax seeds in water for 3 hours. Blend until you get a smooth paste. Add the plums, prunes, banana, and bran and blend until smooth. Add the orange juice and blend well. Mid-afternoon. Ingredients for a 500 milliliter serving. 5 medium carrots. 2 medium unpeeled apple. 4 celery stalks. 1 medium lemon. Preparation. Using a juice extractor, extract the juice. Dinner. Ingredients for a 400 milliliter serving. 1 artichoke, use the leaves, outer leaves, and stem. Half medium onion. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Half liter of water. Preparation. Separate the external artichoke leaves, the stem, and some of the plant's leaves. Peel and cut the onions. Boil on low heat in a covered pot for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain to get the broth. Add the lemon. Drink 2 cups. Day 2, breakfast. Ingredients for 500 milliliter serving. 1 cup rice milk. 1 banana. Half mango. 1 teaspoon of wheat germ. Half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Preparation. Peel and cut the bananas and mangoes. In a blender, combine all ingredients and blend until smooth. Serve in a glass, then sprinkle with cinnamon. Mid-morning. Ingredients for a 500 milliliter serving. 4 cups of watermelon chunks, skinless and seedless. 4 medium asparagus, green. 2 medium celery stalks. 1 tablespoon of molasses/brown sugar, 20 grams. Preparation. Process the ingredients in a juice extractor, then add the molasses. Lunch. Ingredients for 500 milliliters serving. 2 medium tomatoes. Half medium cucumber. Half medium sweet bell pepper. 1/4 onion. 1 slice of brown bread. 1 garlic clove. 3 teaspoons olive oil, must be extra virgin. Half teaspoon of Himalayan/sea salt. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Half cup of water. 125 milliliters. Preparation. Blend the items until smooth, except for the oil. Add the oil gradually as the mixing process continues. Strain through a sieve. Mid-afternoon. Ingredients for a 250 milliliter serving. 1 cup of spinach. Half cup kale. Half fennel bulb. Half cup pineapple juice. 1 mint leaf. Preparation. Process the spinach, kale, fennel and mint in an extractor. Combine spinach, kale, fennel bulb, mint leaves, and pineapple juice. Mix well. Dinner. Ingredients. 2 onions. A handful of French beans. 1 artichoke. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. A pinch of Himalayan salt. Preparation. Place the onions, the French beans, and the artichoke in the 3 liters of water. Boil in low heat for 1 hour. Strain and add the Himalayan salt and allow to cool. Add the lemon juice. Take 300 milliliters. Day 3, breakfast. Ingredients for a 500 milliliter serving. 1 cup spinach. 2 medium banana. 1 cup of soy milk. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Preparation. Blend spinach, banana, and soy milk until smooth. Then add the lemon juice and continue mixing. Mid-morning, ingredients for 1 500 ml serving. 1 medium cucumber. 4 celery stalks. 1 cup of pineapple juice. Preparation. Peel the cucumber. Extract the juice from the cucumber and celery. Mix with the pineapple juice. Lunch. Ingredients for a 500 ml serving. Half-cooked large red beet. 3 tablespoons of raisins. 3 teaspoons of cashews. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 cup of water. Preparation. Mix the cashews and raisins with water and blend to a smooth paste. Add the beet, lemon juice and the remaining water and blend thoroughly. Mid-afternoon. Ingredients for a 500 ml serving. 2 cups of kale leaves, without the stick-like component. 1½ cups coconut water. 1 lime/lemon juice. Preparation. Blend the kale. Squeeze the lime. Add coconut water. Dinner ingredients for a 500 ml portion. 1 liter of water. 3 celery stalks, including the leaves. 1 broccoli bunch. 1 onion. 2 carrots. A handful of parsley. 2 smashed garlic cloves. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. A pinch of Himalayan salt or sea salt. Preparation. Chop the vegetables and put them in a frying pan with water. Cook over low heat until half of the liquid evaporates. Drain, and serve. Finally, let us review the essential components of the 3-day plan. Remember that losing weight rapidly isn't the only goal, you also need to make long-term lifestyle changes to stay fit and healthy. By following this strategy, you will not only see results in the near term, but also reap the many benefits of a healthy and active lifestyle. Before we close up, I'd want to encourage you to attempt this 3-day regimen. Share your experiences and results in the comments section below, and remember to subscribe for more health and fitness advice. Together, we can attain our objectives and maintain our fitness for life. Thank you for viewing, and we'll see you in a future video.